Bananas, you say? Peppers. Today we're gonna do kind of a first impression Friday. I haven't done a first impression Friday on my main channel in a really long time. It's not Friday. I think if I've got my days correct, it should be a Monday when this video goes up, and it should be the last day of the year. Do you guys like New Year's Eve? Do you not like New Year's Eve? Also, I wanted to ask you guys a question. I do feel like this is kind of my more experimental channel, so I feel like this is where maybe I test more things out or ask for you guys' opinions a little bit more openly. You guys know this is my more relaxed kind of channel. Other than that, there's not too much distinction as time goes by between Graveyard Girl and Banana Peppers. It's just kind of one long fever dream. I wanted to ask you guys' opinion. Do y'all get frustrated when I ask for likes? Are you more tempted to leave a like if I ask for likes? It seems that videos that I get more likes on or more comments, I'm kind of trying to figure out which, and I honestly just have no answers, so I don't know, but those videos seem to get a little bit more traction and a little bit more visibility on the platform. Are y'all upset or angry when I ask for likes, or is it kind of something that's acceptable? Just let me know, because like I say, when you guys comment or just generally interactive, or if you leave a like, maybe even a dislike, I don't know, the interactions do seem to help, and I really appreciate it a lot. But for whatever reason, I feel like asking for likes or comments or whatever, it's kind of just a psychological battle within myself. It's just, I don't know, it's like, it's something that just doesn't come naturally to me. Like asking to subscribe was always natural to me, but asking to like hit the notification bell is not. I don't know. A lot of it seems a little counterintuitive to me for like what is natural and what is a natural relationship between a creator and a subscriber. But I don't know. So just cast your opinions on that kind of stuff down below. Anyway, today's video is going to be a first impression Friday type video. There's a lot of things that I miss doing. I say this all the time, particularly to you guys, that I want to get back into doing. And so I'm just kind of seeing if it's a better fit on this channel or if I start doing it on Graveyard Girl again. I don't know. I do miss the whole like testing beauty products side a lot. So anyway, here we go. That's what we're doing today. Happy New Year's Eve. Today's product is something that I'm uniquely excited about because I told you guys that I'm planning on doing one of those like 24-hour transformation videos, and part of what I wanted to do was attempt to plump my lips a little bit more, make them look a little bit juicier. I've been in the market for a new lip plumper. Like struggling to say my words today. Not enough caffeine. That's another story for another day. But lo and behold, this arrived to my house, and it's a new product from Tarte. It's a part of their Rainforest of the Sea line, and this particularly stuck out to me because it has jellyfish all over the packaging. And at first I was like, wait, does this have like jellyfish venom in it? Like, I know some lip plumping products on the market have bee venom in it, but it's vegan. So by my understanding of vegan, that means it can't have any products in it that's derived from animals or be made of animals or having anything to do with animals at all. Still was just definitely very intrigued by the jellyfish on the box and the fact that it's called Zing. I just like that. So it's supposed to instantly plump, appearance, smooth and hydrate, and it enhances lip color. It also came with this little informational card, and it says that it's $24. A vegan serum powered by marine plant extracts, hyaluronic acid, and hot pepper fruit extract. Can be worn with other lip products. Let's unbox this thing, and oh my gosh. Okay, I love the packaging. It's a really skinny tube, but there is something almost like test tube like about this, which really appeals to me. I also like all the little jellyfish all over it. I don't know why I like jellyfish, It does smell a little peppery. Dare I say it almost has a hint of mint as well. Most Tarte products, Tarte lip products rather, do have a minty smell and even a little bit of a minty taste to them. Speaking from experience, rest in peace, Texas Toast. A lot of you guys comment all the time that y'all miss my Tarte collab so much, and trust me, I do too. It will always be alive in our hearts. I'm gonna zero up really close so you guys can see my natural lip tone, lip shape. You know what, maybe natural lip tone is not a good thing to say because I was just wearing this liquid lippy in the previous video that I just filmed for Graveyard Girl, so I did have to remove it. So my lips might be a little bit more red than usual, but you guys will at least see like the natural shape of my lips. I don't see any information on here for how long we're supposed to wait. I know some lip plumpers say, oh, you know, you'll be able to see visible results within 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever. I almost forgot to show you guys the applicator. The applicator almost looks like a little bit of a fuzzy material, like similar to what normal doe foot applicators are made out of, but it is, you know, pointed like you might find on a liquid eyeliner. So that's interesting. I don't remember ever seeing another lip product in my life with an applicator like that. So here goes nothing. I'm a little nervous. Sometimes these products do cause me a lot of irritation because I do have very sensitive skin, so we'll rate the burn. With these kind of products, I've heard a thin layer works better than just like slapping a lot of the product on. So now that I've applied the top lips, let's just say, I am starting to feel a little bit of tingling on my bottom lip. It's not a burning yet, it's just a tingling. The first thing that I will say that I like about this lip plumper that I feel like separates it from other lip plumpers I've tried on the market is the product itself is not thick. Normally they are like a thicker gloss. Now I feel like I should stop talking because I feel like it's getting into my mouth and making my tongue tingle a little bit. I'm gonna set a timer for 10 minutes and we will see if my lips look visibly plumper and hydrated. I'm kind of excited.
298 frozen patties later.
Oh my God. I think I've got a mouth rash. I'm definitely gonna splash cold water onto my mouth and then we'll talk about this, but this is where we are right now. Splash the cold water, calm down a minute. I feel like I'm having a little bit of an anxiety attack. Still having a lot of burning. How could this have happened? You might be wondering. I was just setting a timer and I was watching YouTube videos, so I wasn't looking up to see that I was having this sort of reaction. Is this a reaction? Like, I'm so torn and I don't even understand how it's like the sides, it's like the areas around my mouth are red more than even the actual area, my lips, that I had applied the product on. I should have known that something was wrong though, because this is embarrassing yet true. I was looking down watching YouTube videos for 10 minutes and I started to drool because I feel like my lips were just getting puffier and more swollen. That's kind of the thing. I feel like we're gonna be distracted by the terrible redness surrounding my mouth to really notice any positive results, but my lips must be swollen because I feel like I'm having a harder time not drooling when I'm talking. And I feel like I'm just having a harder time moving my lips in a natural way because they do feel puffier and more swollen, which ultimately that is kind of the goal of a lip plumper, is to make your lips swell and puff up to look more full. Now, I'm kind of not sure if this redness is something that could easily be covered with concealer and foundation. I know a lot of people that use lip plumpers, even the type that like squeeze and suction your lips, they do leave redness around, but I'm definitely just having like intense burning. I mean, that does happen with lip plumpers. You are always going to feel some burning, but This, unfortunately for me, was intense burning that got even more intense once I splashed cool water on it and kind of like wiped the product off. But I'm kind of torn because honestly, my lips do seem plumper, smoother. I mean, they don't feel bad. I just feel tightness like around my mouth. But personally for me, it's probably not a very good choice to use a product like this because this is the kind of stupid stuff that tends to flare up my anxiety just a little bit because I start to think if I'm exhibiting this much of a reaction on the exterior of my face and I know that I accidentally swallowed some of it, what's it doing to the inside of my body? I don't know. I'm definitely overthinking it. I'm not feeling any burning or anything inside of my mouth. And I'm definitely just probably overreacting. I feel like we'll only tell over time, like how much this redness is gonna go away, but I'm gonna zoom in on my lips one more time so hopefully you guys can see. That's the only thing that is kind of disconcerting to me is it's like there's my lips and then there's almost like a white ring like right around my lips, and then it's like I'm having a reaction like on my skin, which is kind of weird to me because I was very careful with the applicator to only apply the product to my lips. It's also just really weird how there's like whiteness, like you can especially see it when I purse my lips, so I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like now. I don't know, what do you guys think about this product? I don't know, maybe this was a stupid product for me to test out because I do have extremely sensitive skin, so it doesn't take much for me to have any kind of reaction. It just seemed so fun and intriguing to me that I wanted to try it, and like I said, I do have that video coming up where I want to use a lip plumper. This is giving me second thoughts. I don't know. I used to use Too Faced lip injections, but that one was too intense for me. And then a million years ago, I used to use Doo-Wop lip venom. And I don't remember ever having a problem with that particular one. But I feel like as I've gotten older, my skin has sort of become even more sensitive, which is kind of a pain in the butt. It's completely lame. But I guess that's just how things happen. I'm gonna type somewhere in the screen how long it takes for the redness and the swelling to go down. You guys know that I love Tarte and I love Tarte products, so I'm not trying to like slam them or say that this is a bad product or anything, because I do feel like it works, but I think I just might be a little too sensitive for it. So maybe if you see it in Sephora or Ulta or something, do a test patch on your skin. That's what I should have done, but instead I just jumped both feet first. But normally with things like this, I do try and do a patch test on some other part of my skin to see if it's gonna give me a reaction or something. Love the packaging, love the concept. Always wish that my lips would be a little bit plumper, but I'm not sure if we found the solution to that today. Thank you guys so much for watching and for hanging out, and until I see you guys again, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. Part 2 of the little tiny food unboxing is coming soon. I've seen a lot of you guys tweeting me saying that you bought the little mini mystery packs and you're waiting to open the second batch with me, so that video is coming soon. I will see you guys very, very soon. I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for all the support in 2018. I said that on Graveyard Girl as well today, but thank you guys so much. I feel like a lot of the times I struggle to even tell you guys how much your continued support means to me, but it really means a lot. So thank you for being here and for being sassy, and I will see you guys again very, very soon. Bye!